Hi everyone. Are you a student struggling with research, a teacher helping students find the best sources, or a parent learning how to use technology to support your child? In this video, I'll show you 5 research tools. First up, Drinker. Drinker helps to fix grammar and improves use of language. Students can use Drinker to refine essays, research papers, and assignments. Simply drop your doc over here and it will help you to proofread before submission. You can click over here to see how it works. You can see some edited files over here as well. So I have uploaded that and it has given me some scores for that as well. Now, the next one is Scholasy. Scholasy saves you time by summarizing the key points in any article that you are using. Simply upload your doc and the tool will summarize that for you. It will break down the article into subtopics. So this was my topic and I've uploaded that. It will give me the list of authors and a structured summary, a list of key findings, objectives in the article, methods that we used, the results that came up, conclusions, the key concepts that were discussed in the article. And furthermore, it goes into limitations, future work that needs to be done. So it's picking up all the important details that were in the article and it has basically summarized that for me. Right, and this looks like the original doc, and now these are the diagrams that were given in the doc as well. So basically, these are the features of that. So a snapshot of that, key findings, objectives, methods, results, conclusions, and then analysis of that as well is given at the back here. So basically, this helps you with summarizing the articles. Now, the next one is Cite. So what happens here is if you are researching a topic, all you do is you go to the site, you can sign up for that as well, and then you ask a question if you want to. So let's start fresh. Paste your question, click on that. There you go. It's helping me to look for some sources on the topic, and it's generating a list of topics, research papers that could help me with my research. So if you are a high school student, or if you are at university, or if you are a parent trying to help your child with any topic that they are researching, this is a go-to site where you go in, put in your topic, generate a search on the question itself, and it will come up with a list of articles that they could use. So if you scroll down, what happens is it gives a list of all the publications with links as well. So the good thing about this is it gives a breakdown of how many people are reading this, what people have said about it, so you can choose and use these articles. So, and the next one would be Pledge. So Pledge helps you look for any sort of material that you have used in your research and you haven't referenced that. So all it does is it helps you to check for any AI content that you have used or any resource that you have not referenced. Simply upload your doc over here and it will take you and it will create like a search for you and give you a breakdown of what is in the paper itself. Next is Elicit. So the good thing about this is it gives me a list of all the reference papers that I could use for my research. So if I am at university or if I'm at school or even if I'm a parent trying to help my child with any research, all I'll do is I'll go to this website, put in the question, click on that, and this will give me a list of all the papers that they could use for research. So what's come up here is a breakdown of different articles on the topic, and all I can do is click on that and then click on any of these things, and it will help you to break down and look in deeper into those texts. An abstract summary of that is given over here as well, so you can read the summary and then choose the best source for your research. So in summary, Trinka is used for checking grammar, Scholasty is used for summarizing articles, Pledge is used to check authenticity of any article that you're using for research, Cite is used for searching articles, and Elcid is used as a research assistant that helps you find articles on a topic. The next video after this would look at how to structure your essays and help with your writing. So if you found this helpful, comment below what are some tools that you're going to use for your research. Please like, share, or subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you.